Continue to watch this video if you want to see how I made this delicious, refreshing juice. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some peach and some raspberry juice. So that's my peach. As you can see, I cut it up. These are my raspberry, my granulated sugar. You can use whatever sugar you have. My ginger, my lime, and my lemon. So let's get started. So here I have my blender. So I'm gonna transfer my fruits in my blender, and I'm also gonna put my ginger also. So make sure you wash your ginger and you wash all your fruits, okay? I know this juice is gonna be so refreshing. It's so hot here, so definitely I need my juice. And I'm also gonna add some water to it. Yeah, I'm not gonna fill it up because otherwise it's gonna spill and we don't need that. So now I'm gonna blend it all up. So I'm gonna turn my switch on. Hi guys, so it's all blend now. So this is what it look like. Here I have a strainer. So now I'm gonna strain my juice. Look at that color. That color is so pretty. And you can always use a spoon to just stir it so it can flow right through. So this is gonna be my second time straining it. I'm gonna strain it for at least 3 to 4 times, because I want it to be real smooth. So this is gonna be my 5th time straining my juice, because I want it to be real smooth. So that's why I choose to do it so many times. Look at that, it come right through. This is exactly how you want it to be. So now I'm gonna strain my lime also and my lemon, because you don't want that bit to go into your juice, so you have to strain. So now I'm gonna sweeten my juice now. So I'm just gonna add my sugar. I'm gonna taste it now. Guys, that is so delicious. You can taste the ginger, the lemon, the lime. Absolutely nice. Only thing needed is ice and you're good to go. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in a glass for you guys and show you guys how it looks in the glass. So this is how my juice looks in the glass. It's looking absolutely refreshing. I hope you guys do try this recipe. I thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. Until next time, bye.